Welcome to Compare to Win. The best Rbc6 is probably one of the most versatile and powerful tools you can add to your home or professional setup, offering unparalleled performance and a user-friendly experience that makes complex tasks feel simple. Whether you're a seasoned pro looking to upgrade your equipment or a beginner seeking a reliable and efficient solution, this device is designed to impress with its robust construction and cutting-edge features that set it apart from the competition. Get ready to discover why the Rbc6 is quickly becoming the go-to choice for discerning consumers who demand the best in quality and functionality. Number 5. Rbc6 UPS Replacement Battery for APC. Ensure your APC UPS system stays powered with genuine Rbc6 replacement batteries. These are maintenance-free, sealed lead-acid batteries designed for reliable performance. Get your system back online quickly with this full assembly. It's designed to be plug-and-play and hot-swappable for your convenience. Enjoy peace of mind with an expected battery life of 3 to 5 years. This ensures consistent power protection for your valuable equipment. We've included everything you need for a seamless setup. This includes the required connectors, cable, and fuses. Installation is straightforward with the included guide. We also provide a recycling guide to help you dispose of old batteries responsibly. Please note that this item cannot be shipped to Catalina Island. Please check your delivery address before ordering. What we like. This option offers a completely plug-and-play and hot-swappable assembly for ultimate convenience. If you need to replace your UPS battery quickly without any downtime, this is the perfect choice for you. It ensures a hassle-free installation and immediate power restoration. What people say. It slid in easily as long as I kept the UPS wires out of the way. Be sure to hold the thick red wire above the battery as you slide it in. Easy install on my APC UPS unit. Been running strong for several months and 3 power outages throughout the winter. Worked every time without issue. Lasted 4 years in an APC Smart UPS. Good amount of time, and would order again if priced well. Number 4. Mighty Max Battery ML12-12F2 SLA UPS Battery. Ensure uninterrupted power for your critical equipment with this high-performance battery. It's designed for reliability and long-lasting use. This is a 12-volt, 12-ampere-hour sealed lead-acid battery, and you receive 2 in this pack. It's maintenance-free and UL certified for your peace of mind. With dimensions of 5.94 by 3.86 by 3.98 inches and F2 terminals, it fits easily into your system. It can be mounted in any position and resists shocks. Experience a high discharge rate and consistent performance across a wide range of temperatures. It's built to recover from deep discharges and offers a long service life. Enjoy dependable, high performance even in extreme temperatures. This rechargeable battery is engineered for durability and longevity. We stand by the quality of our product with a full 1-year warranty. You can trust it to keep your systems running smoothly. What we like. You get a pack of 2 UL certified batteries with a full 1-year warranty, offering great value and peace of mind. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution with reliable performance and extended support, this is the one to consider. It's ideal for users who want a backup power source that is both certified and backed by a solid warranty. What people say. Works great in my old APC back UPS Pro 1000. Good fit. It has already come to the rescue once in a power failure to keep my devices running. The batteries arrived in one piece and hold a charge. They lasted exactly 3 years, which in my mind is the proper lifespan for this model of battery. Works great in my old APC back UPS Pro 1000. Good fit. It has already come to the rescue once in a power failure to keep my devices running. I did have to reuse the existing jumper wire to hook up these batteries in series. The batteries also come as 2 separate units, while the APC pack uses some double-sided tape to hold the 2 batteries together as one. Number 3. Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Replacement. Introducing the Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Complete Replacement Kit. This is a 24V12Ah sealed lead-acid battery designed for your APC SU1000 UPS system. Ensure uninterrupted power during outages with this essential backup. It's designed to prevent data loss and keep your productivity going. This kit includes all necessary connectors and a fuse wire harness for a complete replacement. It's built to be rechargeable, mountable in any position, and resistant to shocks and vibrations. Experience long-lasting, high performance even in extreme temperatures. It's engineered to work reliably, no matter the conditions. This is a full replacement for Rbc6 UPS systems, providing everything you need. Plus, it comes with a full 1-year warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This comes as a complete kit, including all necessary connectors and a fuse wire harness, designed specifically for uninterrupted power. If preventing data loss and maintaining productivity during outages is your top priority, this is an excellent option. It's perfect for professionals and home users who cannot afford any interruption to their work or critical systems. What people say. The product works well and is easy to use. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with my home decor. It has a variety of features that are very useful for everyday tasks. Number 2. Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Replacement Kit. Introducing the Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Complete Replacement Kit. This kit provides a full replacement for your UPS system, ensuring you have the power you need. Designed to keep your equipment running during power outages, it prevents data loss and maintains productivity. This rechargeable battery offers reliable performance. It can be mounted in any position and is built to resist shocks and vibrations. Enjoy long-lasting, high performance even in extreme temperatures. This complete kit includes all necessary connectors and a fuse wire harness for a straightforward installation. Please refer to the wiring diagram for connection. We stand by our product with a full 1-year warranty. Trust Mighty Max Battery for dependable power solutions. What we like. This complete replacement kit includes all connectors and a fuse wire harness, boasting long-lasting performance in both high and low temperatures. If you operate in environments with fluctuating temperatures or need a reliable power backup that performs consistently regardless of conditions, this is your best bet. It's suitable for users who require robust performance in challenging environmental settings. What people say. The product is very easy to use and set up. It has a long battery life, lasting for several hours on a single charge. The design is sleek and modern, fitting well with any decor. Number 1. Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Replacement Battery Kit. Introducing the Mighty Max Battery Rbc6 UPS Complete Replacement Battery Kit. This kit provides a reliable power backup solution for your APC Smart UPS 1000. It features a 24V12Ah sealed lead-acid battery, ensuring consistent power. This unit includes a fuse wire harness for easy installation. This is a complete replacement kit for Rbc6 UPS systems. Please refer to the wiring diagram for connecting the wire harness. Designed to provide uninterrupted power during outages, it prevents data loss and maintains productivity. Keep your operations running smoothly. This rechargeable battery is built to last, resisting shocks and vibrations. It performs exceptionally well in both high and low temperatures. Enjoy peace of mind with a full 1-year warranty. We stand behind the quality and reliability of our product. What we like. You'll receive a complete kit with all necessary connectors and a fuse wire harness, designed to resist shocks and vibrations. If your UPS is in a location prone to physical disturbances or you need a battery that can withstand rough handling, this is the ideal choice. It's perfect for industrial settings, mobile setups, or any scenario where durability is key. What people say. The Rbc6 is a great addition to my home gym. It's compact and easy to store, and it provides a full-body workout. I love the Rbc6. It's so versatile and I can do so many different exercises with it. The quality is also excellent. The Rbc6 is a game changer for my fitness routine. It's challenging yet rewarding, and I've seen great results in a short amount of time. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.